Very good morning, ladies and gentlemen. This is a live mathematics class by Mathematical Association of Nigeria, Gombe State chapter. We tag this mathematics class as with flying colors. So we tag it so that at least our dear brothers and sisters in SS3 will be watching on those tapes to have flying colors in their mathematics. And this is to also commend the effort of the government of the state, that's Gombe State, His Excellency Inua Yahaya, Alaji Inua Yahaya, for their effort in the timely arrest of this menace. And we are praying that inshallah there is going to be an end of this very soon. And with that, from the desk of the President, Mathematical Association of Nigeria, in person of Adam Ibrahim Bobala, which is going to be your facilitator for the day. And this class is going to be just like answering past questions of WAEC, NECO, and the rest, so that at least students will now tend to recall what they were taught in their own classes, and then we solve questions so that when they come to their own time, they're going to have applying colors in their mathematics. And with me here, I have the past question paper of NECO. This question paper of NECO is NECO 2018. And that's the question. And the first question I have there, in the part one of the questions, that's the part one of the questions, and usually mathematics comes in two sections. Section 1 or part 1 is for you to answer 5 questions. There are 5 questions there and they are compulsory for you to answer all. While in the part 2 you have almost 7, that's 7 questions, and you answer 5 questions from there. So what we are going to do is, the first question there is under logarithm. And it says, find the value of x if this question says, number 1a says, find the value of find the value of x if log 20x minus 10 plus 3 is equals to first question is 2018, as I've said. So and that is laws of logarithm. So let's just take us back to laws of logarithm a little bit. The first law, and which is going to help us in answering this question, says if you have anything like this, log to base m of, let's say, x, then added to log to base m of y. Whenever you have anything like this, anything you see like this, this is telling you that you have log of x. The base here is m plus log of y. The base here is m. So it means here of the same log. What you're going to do here is by the law x, y. This is what you're going to do. Anything you see like this, apply this law. If you do that, you're done. Then the second one says, if you have same thing, x, base of m, now is minus log of y, base of m. Anything like this, they have the same base here. This is m, this is m. But in this case now, instead of addition, you have subtraction here. Instead of addition, we have subtraction here. What do we do? What we are going to do here is we also take 1 here, that's log to base of m. Now, since it is subtraction here, we divide. So we'll now say x all over y. So this is what we are going to do. Anything, when you have anything with minus in between here, but the same base here, you take log and then you say x all over y, and then you take this. This is what you are going to apply. So we are trying to see what we are going to use in solving this question. And the next one we are going to use also in solving any question regarding that is, when you have, there is a law that says when you have x raised to the power of n, the base is m. So log of x raised to the power of n base m. Anything you have like this, what you're going to do is take the power beside the log, that's just say n, that's now n is here, then you have log of x, then you see of this nature, you can apply this. And another thing is, you can also recall that there is a law in logarithm that says when you have log of m, base of m, that's when you have the same m here and the base is the same. When you have this and this the same, this is the same thing as 1. So if you use this scenario, then we are going to apply it in solving that question. Now, let's come back to our question here. Coming back to our question, it says find the value of x if log of 20x minus 10, close bracket, minus log of x plus 3 to base of 10 equals to log of 5 to base of 10. Now, this is minus. The base is 10 here, the base is 10 here. Now, this is minus. Go back to what we learned here. Think of it. So now, this is the same thing as log of to base 10, 20x minus 10 all over, because we have minus here, all over x plus 3. Then equals to this equality sign, log of 10 all over x plus 3 equals to log of 5 base of 10. We have log base of 10, log base of 10. When we have something here, the left hand side and the right hand side, so here we can cancel this and this. With this I have 20x minus 10 all over x plus 3 equals to 5. So with this, now I have a linear equation, of which I can do the small thing we learned initially in our discussion. So here 5 is the same thing as 1 over 1. We now cross multiply. So with this I will now have 20x minus 10 equals to 5 times x plus 3. So now with this I have 20x minus 10 is equals to 5 open bracket x plus 3. So with this I will expand the bracket here by saying 20x minus 10 equals to 15. Don't say 5 times x and you have 5x and you just go. When you do that, you're wrong. So with this now I have 20x minus 10 equals to 5x plus 15. And that's what I have. So when I have something like this, I'll now collect my like terms. That's the normal language we usually use. So now 20x going up the equal sign, it will now, when it is positive, it will be negative. When it goes up the equal sign, when it is negative, it will be positive. So this is positive now. It will be minus 5x equals to, this is 15. Then this is minus 10. Going there, it will be plus 10. So now I have 20x minus 5x. 20x. You have x, 20. It will be 15. So now I have 15x is equals to, adding this, I'll have 25. So you now divide, let me just clean this a little bit. I will divide through by 15. This by 15. So now this cancel this. I'll have my x to be 25 all over 15. You there at home, of course, I believe we have 25 all over 15. When you have something like this, I believe you may have something that will go into both A number that will go into 25, you say 5. 5 into 25 is 5 times. 5 into 15 is 3 times. So you end up getting your x as 5 all over 3. So now, this is what you're going to have. In marking this, when we are marking, we usually have problem with those. Some students will now have to just say x is equals to 25 all over 15. 25 all over 15. There is a simplification there. So you lack a mark there. There is a mark for accuracy. Accuracy meaning what do we have at the tail of the answer? That's the final answer. The final answer is 5 all over 3. But you lack a mark. So with this now, this is telling us that going by our question, they said if log 20x minus 10 log of x plus 3 base 10 is equal to log 5 base 10. Now find the value of x. So with that, we went back to our laws of logarithms, where we said there is law of addition which turns to multiplication, there is law of subtraction which turns to division, and then we have law of power here which turns to n, log of x base of m, and then equal base and the number here, which is log of m base m, which will turn to 1. And as such, that is what we have. So this is how to solve this question. And we have, this is, as I've said, is 2018 question. And beside this question, in the same 2018 question, we still have in part 2, we have a question similar to this one. But before going to that, I also have another past question, which is also base of x plus log of 27 base of x equals to 4. Now, going by what we learned before, now this is addition. And by addition, we mean we go back to our first law of logarithm, which says addition turns to multiplication. So with that now, coming back to this, it will be log of 3 times 27, the base is x, equals to 4. Now, going by this addition now turns to multiplication. 4. Why is this 4? Now recall this last. So going by that, now we are dealing with x here. So since you are introducing what was not there before. It wasn't there before and you introduce it now. So with this now, if you look into this, there is a law also that says when you have a number, log, number and its base, come to this, the third law here, that when you have log of x raised to the power of n, base m, you can take this power to the then when you take this to this, it will be a power. And whether this left hand side or right hand side. When it is left hand side, let it be right hand side. When it is right hand side, let it be left hand side. And that is what we are going to apply here. So now I have log of 81 base x is equals to, yes, log of x power 4, then the base x here. So now this 4 now has turned to be power. So with this now I have, if you look at it, I have log of 81 base x. I have log of x raised to the power of 4 base x. So log to base x, log to base x will cancel. So from there now, what do I have? I'll have I'll have 81 is equals to x raised to the power of 4. That is what remains now. 81 is equals to x raised times 2 is 4. 4 times 2 is what? 8. 8 times 2 is 16. So it's not 2. Then go to 3 when it is not 2. 3 times 3, 9. 9 times 3, 27. 27 times 3, 81. Yes, it's 81, it's 3. It means the number is 3. So going by this now, our x implies 3 because 4th root of 81 is 3. So our x is equal to 3. So with this, you see, we have applied the rudiment of these laws. That we went through the laws, only 4 laws here, and we were 2018 and another question also. So besides this one also, as I've said, we still have under that 2000 and B of give you an exercise so that you try it at home. As you are there at home, you try it so that at least you'll be busy. So now I'm going through that question. Now the next section B, and section B takes 12 marks. Yes, don't forget, section B of math always takes given that log 2 base 10 is 0.3010, while log 3 base 10 is 0.4771. Now, find the value of 1 log 3.6, 2 log 0.9, all in base 10. So you see, now this one is different from the initial ones we started with. They may look different, but the idea is still glowing. The idea, you are going to use the same idea in solving this. This one says log 2 base 10 is 0.3010. Log 3 base 10 is equal to 0.4771. Now this is log of 3.6. Now somebody will be taking up, saying that, why is it that this is 3.6? What you're going to do is use the rudiment of your fractions and decimal numbers. Now, in solving the first one, log of 3.6 base 10 is the same thing as just saying log of 36 all over 10. Yes, 36 all over 10. 36 all over 10 will give you 3.6. So that is the idea you're going to tell. Go back through your fractions and then it will take you to your decimal. So with this now, I have log of 36 all over 10. Log of 36 divided by 10. Now, our second rule. Our second law of logarithm. Second law of logarithm. I'll now have log of 36 base 10 minus log of 10 base 10. So now, you see, instead of log of 36 divided by 10, it will be log of 36 base 10 minus log of 10 base 10. This is telling you that from left hand side to right hand side, as in the case of below, now it's from the right hand side to the left hand side, whichever way you take it. So from here now, I will now say this. I have log 3 here. So now what do I have that will give me 36? That is what you should recall now. I will now say 36 is 18. 36 divided by 2 is 18. Now 18 per, then it means 2 is there now. So 18 per, 18 is 9 times 2. Yes, 2. I got another 2 again. 2 here, 2 here. So it means I have 2, 2. The 2 are 2 now. So the 2 are 2 base of 10. 2, 2, 2. That's 2 times 2, which is 4. Then times, this is what? 4 times what? 4 times 9. 4 times 9, yes. 4 times 9. That is what I have. 36 is 4 times 9. When it is 4 times 9, then minus log of 10 base 10. Now, I have 4 times 9. First law now, times. Times will now turn to addition. Yes, it will turn to addition. So, we are dealing with the first rule now, first law of logarithm. Let me clean this. Yes, so with this now I have log of 4 base 10 plus y, multiplication. Log of 9 base 10, then minus log of 10 base 10. I'm coming, yes. With this I have 4. And mark you, we have 2 here. Log 2, that's what we have the value. Log 3, that is what we have the value. We are trying to see how we can make it to be 2 and 3. So now, this is 4. It's the same thing as log of 2 square base 10 plus log of 3 square base 10 minus log 10 base 10 is what? 1. Yes, the law is there. So now with this, another law that says a power, yes, 2 log 2 base 10 plus another power 2 log 3 base 10 minus 1. Now we have 2 log 2 base 10 plus 2 log 3 base 10. We have log 2 base 10. We have it. Yes, we have the value. So I have 2. What is log 2? 0.3010 plus 2. I have log 3, 0.4771, then minus 1. Yes, what is this? We multiply. We will now say 2 times this number. Yes, simple multiplication. 2 times 0, I have 0. 2 times 1, 2. 2 times 0, 0. 2 times this, then I have, yes, plus. Now, 2 times this, I will now is 14. Yes, as we normally say, 2 times 7, 14 plus 1, 15. We find 5 carrying 1. Yes. 2 times this is what? 8 plus 1, 9. I have, yes, so minus 1. So now we add this, then we subtract 1. So addition, simple addition, 0.6020. 0.9542, yes, without calculator. Yes, I have 2, I have 6, I have 5. This is what? 15. I put 5 and then take 1 here. Yes, so with this I have 2 here, 6 here, 5 here, this is 15, put 5 carrying 1, then 1 is here. So now 1 point. So when I subtract 1, I'll have what? 0 point, because it's 1 point this minus 1. So only this one I will subtract. So I have 5, 5, 6, 2. So this is going to be the last answer to this question. Don't forget, it was 3.6. When it was 3.6, we convert it to 36 all over 10. Yes. Then log 36 base 10 minus log 10 base 10. Yes. What is 36? It's 4 times 9. Times there is a law which says multiplication will turn to addition. So now we said log of 4 base 10 plus log of base 10. So from there, 4 is 2 square. Log 2 square base 10 plus log 3 square base 10 minus 1. Take this to this side, we have 2 log 2 base 10 and minus 1. We have this value, we put it. We have this value, we put it. 2 times this, we have this, plus 2 times this, we minus 1, and we have 0.5562. So with this, as we said, is your brother, and we are saying this is coming to you live from Mathematical Association of Nigeria, Gombe State chapter, and this is to get a flying colors. As we said, we tag this as during this COVID-19 era, flying colors in SSC, and that's the tag of our lectures here. And inshallah, we'll be coming to you live 2 times in a week. And for your suggestion and complaints or anything you want, at least you can suggest and whatever through this platform. You can say whatever you want to decide. I mean, at least advise and whatever, and it's going to be in this platform. As you are there at home, you can go through your books, go through some exercise, and I will be leaving you with this log of 0.9 base 10 for you to try it at home. Try it at home, and when we come to be, we'll see, and I will see what you have. Try to scan the platform, we'll see it, and then we'll mark you whether you are right or wrong. And when we come for the next thing, before going into our next topic, we are going to discuss about that. And with this, I'm saying, is your brother Adamu Ibrahim Bomala is the name. Thank you very much for being with us, and we wish this is going to be a help and assistance. Thank you very much. Thank you very much for listening.